Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So, I have a Vic-20 in front of me, and I have put in a cartridge called the Vic Music Composer. I have the instructions here. You put the cartridge in, you turn it on. I had trouble getting the cartridge to start, but it did. Sometimes you just got to wiggle things. So, if you press the space bar, no. Okay. Right, searching. This is not going to go well. Okay, it's asking me if I want to load something. I want to load something. I thought it might have had a nice demo in here, but it doesn't. Now it's searching, and it's never going to find anything because I don't have anything hooked up. I don't have a drive hooked up. There's nothing good that's happening here. So I guess I'll say compose. Which voice? Oh. Well, let's see. Which voice? First, computer asks voice. Enter 1, 2, or 3 and press return. Next, you receive a message. Clear memory? Yes, this means you need to choose between clearing the memory for that particular voice, starting a new piece. Uh-huh. 1. Yes. Key. Oh. You're now asked to choose a key. The computer only accepts valid key. Oh my. I am not a musician. I do take music a little bit. You're now asked to choose key. The computer only accepts valid key signatures as shown in the examples. To sharpen notes in your chosen key, enter the key letter. Oh, okay. We're going to do G. Time signature. Finally, the computer has to choose between time signature. Enter 2 numbers, 1 to 9, and press return. If you press return only, the computer selects 4 for time. Okay, fine. There we are. Now use the up-down cursor control. Okay. With your basic selection completed, the screen now displays composing edit page. Use the following guidelines. The cursor controls, in conjunction with the shift, move the red cursor to the left and right over the notes. To select a particular note and place it in their position, oh my, press return. Okay, I'm going to pick that. And now, I'm going to put it there. Woohoo. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to put it there. Then, I'll do one of these. I'll put it there. I don't know what I am doing, you remember? Pick one of these. Let's put it there. Okay. The key, the delete key. Yeah. Insertions, 2 quits. Oh, there is stuff here. To hear what you propose, press F1. Ah. One. One. Oh, there, I have composed. Now there is stuff here. Perhaps there are things here. Somewhere, maybe there are things on lines. Or it's giving me basically a music thing here. There are things in here I suppose I could type in. But I'm not going to. I'm sure this is For people who do musical things, this is a lovely, lovely thing. I am not that person. Here it is. Home computer software for the Commodore Vic-20. Compose and play your own music and the electronic way. Use the Vic's musical capabilities to the fullest, maybe it should say fullest, for this comprehensive and easily usable music package. It features a uniquely simple system of entering the score and editing it. No numbers or letters, just pick your note, position it on the staff, and press return. Because it uses standard musical notation manipulated directly by the user, the Vic Music Composer is not just a lasting source of entertainment, but also an invaluable educational aid. With a playing time of up to half an hour on an unexpanded Vic, 4.5 hours with 16K map expansion, the Vic Music Composer will give you endless pleasure. Other features include 3 voices, controllable tempo and volume, and the ability to save on disc or cassette. This is a cartridge. It is. Copyright 1982. Manufactured in the UK and Japan. It looks fascinating. It does. It just not my. Oh man, I don't know if this has hardly ever been used. Oh, holy mama! Like I was looking at. Oh no, it's been used. Yeah, no, I was looking at the top side of things that look pretty. The bottom side could use a pencil eraser. There. I don't know if you can see that there. I've done some much cleaner, much nicer. Maybe that's why I also had some trouble getting this to initially start up. Pencil eraser, blow off the stuff. Have a look. Shine it up. Much better. Much better. Alright, I'm going to put this back in here. It's got a beautiful little case that comes with it. Beautiful. The instructions fit in ever so nicely. Certainly these people took pride in their packaging. They did. Alright. Well, maybe that's enough of that for now. We'll see you again. But if you do have a Vic-20 and you're into music and you know what you're doing, I think this would be good. I think it would be. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.